Question number 1. The Punjab Enforcement and Regulation Act was passed in which year? Correct answer is option B, 2024. Question number 2. What is the Act number of the Punjab Enforcement and Regulation Act 2024? Correct answer is option C, Act 11 of 2024. Question number 3. When was the Act enacted? Correct answer is option C, 17th October 2024. Question number 4. To which territory does the Act extend? Correct answer is option B, Punjab province. Question number 5. The Act shall come into force on a date notified by. Correct answer is option D, Government of Punjab in the Gazette. Question number 6. Absolute order under the Act is issued in the furtherance of. Correct answer is option B, Emergency Prohibition Order. Question number 7. Authority means. Correct answer is option B, Punjab Enforcement and Regulatory Authority. Question number 8. Authorized officer is appointed under which session? Correct answer is option C, Session 10. Question number 9. Board means. Correct answer is option B, District Enforcement and Regulatory Board. Question number 10. Chairperson of the authority is. Correct answer is option B, Chief Minister Punjab. Question number 11. Which law is referred to as code in the Act? Correct answer is option B, Criminal Procedure Code 1898. Question number 12. Who is the Chief Executive Officer of the authority under the Act? Correct answer is option B, Director General. Question number 13. Members of the District Enforcement and Regulatory Board are appointed by. Correct answer is option B, Government of Punjab. Question number 14. The tenure of the chairperson of the district board is. Correct answer is option B, 3 years. Question number 15. Which section of the Act defines emergency prohibition order? Correct answer is option A, Section 2G. Question number 16. Who has the power to issue an emergency prohibition order? Correct answer is option C, Authorized officer. Question number 17. Duration of an emergency prohibition order shall not exceed. Correct answer is option B, 15 days. Question number 18. Who may review or cancel an emergency provision order? Correct answer is option B, District Board. Question number 19. An absolute order remains in force for a maximum period of. Correct answer is option C, 90 days. Question number 20. The authority may frame regulations with the approval of. Correct answer is option D, Government of Punjab. Question number 21. Which section empowers the authority to delegate its powers? Correct answer is option C, Section 18. Question number 22. The funds of the authority consist of. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 23. Accounts of the authority are audited by. Correct answer is option A, Auditor General of Pakistan. Question number 24. Annual report of the authority is laid before. Correct answer is option B, Provincial Assembly of Punjab. Question number 25. Penalty for violation of an emergency prohibition order includes. Correct answer is option C, both fine imprisonment. Question number 26. The authority may take assistance of which force to enforce its order? Correct answer is option B, Punjab Police. Question number 27. Who has the power to make rules for carrying out the purpose of the act? Correct answer is option B, Government of Punjab. Question number 28. What is the primary objective of the PERA Act 2024? Correct answer is option B, better regulation and enforcement in Punjab. Question number 29. Who has the final authority to approve regulations made by the authority? Correct answer is option C, Government of Punjab. Question number 30. In case of conflict, the provisions of the PERA Act 2024 shall override. Correct answer is option C, any other law for the time being in force. Question number 31. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Correct answer is option C, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 32. Which river is known as the Sorrow of Bihar? Correct answer is option B, Kosi. Question number 33. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Correct answer is option A, Gujarat. Question number 34. Who was the first Indian to win an individual Olympic gold medal? Correct answer is option B, Abhinev Bindra. Question number 35. Which is the largest gland in the human body? Correct answer is option C, liver. Question number 36. Who is known as the missile man of India? Correct answer is option B, APJ Abdul Kalam. Question number 37. Which planet is called the red planet? Correct answer is option B, Mars. Question number 38. Who was the last Governor General of India? Correct answer is option C, Raja Gopalachari. Question number 39. Which is the largest desert in the world? Correct answer is option A, Sahara Desert. Question number 40. Which is the currency of Japan? Correct answer is option B, yen.